How to fix Roblox Error Code 429. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and go to roblox.com. And once you open up your Roblox, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you try to play from your browser, it's not possible, so you are going to have to install the Windows application called Roblox Player, and you can start playing from here. So just simply go ahead and open up your Roblox Player and download it. This is the first method that you can do. After this, your problem should be fixed. But the next step that you can also do is try to use a VPN. So go to your web browser and search for VPN. Now you can see some of the best free VPNs out here. Just click on them and download it. Change the location from your current location and then simply try to play the game. That should fix your issue. And for phone users, you can try to just use your cellular data while logging in and playing the game. Because sometimes if you're using Wi-Fi network, that might be causing the issue. So try switching over to mobile data and you should be good to go. These are some of the best ways that you can fix the error as of now. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.